In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Handmade Valentine's themed card. I'm Travel Blackman. Let's jump into it. We are going to use cardstock for this card. You'll need to cut a red and a white, including a piece of acrylic cover. This is clear cover. So all three of this, you're going to cut this at 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch. In addition to that, you'll need 1 sheet of black cardstock, and you will have to print out the eggs to the desired size that you want. So you're going to cut 2 of these, including the message, and this larger one we're going to use as a template. So we'll take our black cardstock and fold it over in this manner. Ensure that the ends are nice together. Now you're going to measure it at 4 1/4 inch. Next thing you'll do, from the top here, we're going to measure 2 inches. Now here we are going to draw a 1/2 inch line, and we are going to cut that away as well. Good. So we're keeping all of this. Now we're going to bring in our red. Now we want to paste this in here, like that. So there it is. We're going to come with our white, and we're going to place it here. We're not pasting this yet. Place it in its position. Then we are going to come with the template of the egg we created. Now this template is a little bit larger than the actual colored egg. So you're going to use this, and you're going to trace on the black and the white. Ensure you can see on the black. You open, and then you continue with the extra. There you go. So now we need to cut this out, and then the extra here. We are going to use a box cutter to cut where the lines are. The next thing we'll do is paste our acrylic cover onto the card. We'll need our glue gun for this. Then we're gonna come with this little piece here and we're gonna place it on to the bottom like this. Now we're gonna cut our eggs. If you enjoy this tutorial, do leave us a like and a comment, and click on the subscribe button and bell to receive notifications for whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.